Ben, este vídeo tiñámolo prometido e é que a outra vez que gravei no Koempelclub
estamos na rock party do Koempelclub, un garito de Brunson que abre unhas 4 ou 5 veces no ano e unha das que abre gratuitas é esta, e mirade que musicaza. Chao!
borrouseme todo o que gravaba.
When the club was
When was created?
1976.
A ver, este é un erro que normalmente os holandeses cometen, xa que eles, no seu idioma, poñen primeiro as unidades e logo as decenas.
So it's 53 years old now.
Who was the creator?
The creator was guste. Guste, that's his name. It was his idea. His first, yeah. And after that he got many more.
And then the retirement, and he sold to your father this club.
Yeah.
Mira de paí, parece tal cual unha mina. E agora estamos no que antigamente, esta parte de aquí, era a que antigamente era o xardín da casa que chegaba ata aquí, ata estas escaleras de aí. Que chulada, mirad.
Finally, was property of the father of Hein.
Yeah. He started as a bouncer at the door.
How many years after the mine closing
Yeah.
was opened at the bar?
I think 5 years, 4 years, 5 years after that. Yeah.
And all the material inside the club comes from the Hendrik
Yeah.
camp?
But also from Germany and from other mines.
Because how many mines there was in the
Here in the
vicinity?
neighborhood, I thought were 2. The
One-
Amma and the Hendrik.
Hendrik here and the other?
And the Amma.
Amar.
Amma, like the girl's
I cannot
name.
pronounce that.
Amma.
O propio nome indica unha partícula antiga do limburgués, que é o dialecto que se fala nesta zona. Koempel non ven a significar máis que camaradas, e é o club de mineiros camaradas, porque era moi utilizada concretamente no entorno mineiro, xa que aquí en Brunson estaba a mina do Hendrik Camp, que é onde hoxe se sitúa o cuartel xeral da OTAN.
What else?
What else?
I'm thinking because I didn't write anything. So
74.
in 74.
74, yeah.
Okay, 1974. You both take the control or only Hein?
Oh, not Hein and his 2 brothers.
Hein,
And his 2
René.
brothers. René and Dave.
E é, a súa vez, e isto todavía non volo contara, o punto máis profundo dos Países Baixos, con 1080 metros de profundidade.
My mother was working here. When I was, I think 10 or 11, my mother started working here.
Oh,
And so I met Hein. And after a few years, we got a couple.
nice.
Yeah.
So more than half a life
Yeah.
around this.
Yeah. I know him for 42 years now.
For
42 years. So that's a long time.
yesterday, yeah?
Yesterday, yeah.
Como vos quedades?
So that's it. Thank you very much.
De nada.
Agardo che gustase este vídeo que che tiña prometido. Vémonos noutra e apertas.